Master your finances. How to make up a budget. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a vital skill that can transform your financial health: making up a budget. Whether you're managing personal finances or running a business, understanding and applying this concept is a game changer. So, let's unravel the mystery of budgeting and set you on the path to financial success. First things first, what does it mean to make up a budget? In simple terms, it involves creating a plan on how to spend your money. This plan, or budget, allows you to balance your expenses with your income. It's about making sure you know where every penny is going, ensuring you can cover your necessities, save for the future, and enjoy life without financial stress. A budget mainly consists of two parts: income and expenses. Income. This is the money you receive, be it from a job, business, or other sources. Expenses. These are the costs you incur, including rent, groceries, entertainment, and savings. The goal is to ensure your income exceeds your expenses, allowing you to save or invest the surplus. Let's break down the process of making a budget into manageable steps. 1. List your income sources. Write down how much money you expect to receive monthly. 2. Track your expenses. Record every expenditure, no matter how small. 3. Categorize your expenses. Divide your expenses into categories like necessities, savings, and leisure. 4. Set spending limits. Based on your income, allocate a maximum amount to spend in each category. 5. Adjust as needed. Life is unpredictable. Review and adjust your budget regularly to stay on track. Why bother making a budget? Here are some compelling reasons. Control over finances. You dictate where your money goes. Avoids debt. Spending within your means keeps debt at bay. Saves money. Planning helps in identifying and cutting unnecessary expenses. Financial goals. A budget is a roadmap to achieving your financial dreams. And that's a wrap on making up a budget. Remember, a budget is not about restricting your life but about empowering it. With a well-thought-out budget, you're not just surviving, you're thriving. We hope this video sheds light on how you can master your finances by making up a budget. Until next time, keep learning and keep budgeting.